What is going on, everyone? My name is Angus. I run our go-to-market team here at LeadIQ, and I'm here to just give you a quick recap of some of the product updates for the month of October. We'll start off with a quick webinar recap from our previous webinar a couple of weeks back. We'll dive into some Chrome extension updates, quick overview of what universal credits look like for one-off tasks, and a quick refresher of what a universal credit is at LeadIQ. And then we'll round it off with an API review around stronger privacy control. So let's jump right into it. This month, we held a webinar with some of our partners, Chili Piper and Clay. We had our very own Tyler Lang, VP of Revenue, alongside Alexi Petrikos, the VP of Partnerships, and Daniel Johnson, a go-to-market engineer at Clay. So it was great to have our partners on a webinar. And it was a great session kind of just diving into how go-to-market teams can simplify their tech stacks, automate workflows across tools like, of course, LeadIQ and our partners, Chili Piper and Clay. So we've got a lot more sessions planned, so stay tuned for future announcements on webinars here in the coming weeks. Next up, we have some quick Chrome extension updates. The Prospector Chrome extension just got even better. And what that means is Scribe is now fully integrated right into the extension. Meaning you can write personalized outreach directly within LinkedIn, no tab switching, no copy pasting, just personalized messages going straight out to your prospects there in just a couple seconds, super automated. And yeah, the Chrome extension just got a little bit better. Next up, we have UCs or universal credits for one-off tasks. Quick refresher first, what is a universal credit? A UC is a single credit that you can use across any one of LeadIQ's product suites. So Track, Scribe, Prospector, Account and Contact Enrichment, and the API. So you can now apply those same credits to one-off tasks, and it gives you total flexibility on how you use your credits across the platform. And lastly, we have stronger privacy control around the API, right? Your privacy settings now carry over automatically from the Prospector to the API. So it'll keep you compliant across the board, save you time from having to update those compliance settings across different product suites at LeadIQ. That's all we have for product updates here in the month of October. A lot of cool announcements coming up here in the next couple of weeks and months around product updates, upcoming webinars, and just continuing to innovate on our current product suite. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next month.